I'm going to show you how you can make your game use your GPU rather than your CPU on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. It's very straightforward to do now. It used to be a bit more effort, but Windows have now streamlined this. All we need to do is head on down to the search bar and type in display settings. With this open, scroll all the way down until you see under related settings, you see graphics. And from here, you should see a section called customize settings for application. Now, first of all, you want to go and find your game or application under this list. If it isn't automatically here, what we can do is just click either add desktop app or add Microsoft Store app. And then all you'd have to do is navigate to where the .exe file is of the specific game you're trying to optimize for. However, let's say that I want to optimize my Black Desert. All we need to do is after we've added the application here, so it's visible, you click the drop down arrow here, and under GPU preference, rather than letting Windows decide, you can just select your actual graphics card here just to ensure that it's always using your GPU. Doing this ensures that your onboard GPU, if you have one, or CPU is not doing the heavy lifting. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you, please consider giving us a like.